Hi class, today we're going to look at fruit and nut farms. So here in Excel, Microsoft Excel, we have data about fruit and nut farms in New York State. We have the commodity, such as apples, apricots, berries, blackberries on the left, and we have the 2017 acreage. This is how many acres in New York State we farmed each commodity. So we're going to create a column chart for this data. So what we're going to do is select the data. So we're going to select cells from A2 all the way down to B23, just like that. We're going to come up here and select Insert up at the top. And then over here on the right, we're going to select Column Chart. And we want a 2D column chart. It's a clustered column chart. So we're going to click OK. And you can see here that Excel generates our chart. We can drag the chart right on top of our box here, and it fits nicely right inside. One more thing we can do to organize the data is select the data starting at B3, cell number B3, and we're going to drag a box down to walnuts. And now up here at the top, we're going to select data, and we're going to sort descending. And see what that does is it organizes our data. Instead of alphabetical, it organizes it by acreage. And now we can see that our chart is updated, and we can see a much clearer representation of what crops are growing in New York. And there's two questions here at the bottom for you to answer. Good luck, and make sure to select your name tab at the bottom of the sheet.